have 23 goals for 2023. Hey lovelies, today I'm going to share my 2023 goals with you guys. But before that, I'm going to do like a little bit change in my goal setting. So first let's look at that. So you all know I read this book called Good Vibes, Good Life, and there is this 2 chapters in the book about goals, and in that there is this tiny chapter talks about writing down our goals. If you write down your goals, they are more likely to come true. That's what the author talks about, and in that I learned something new which really made me think, which is to write them in the present tense. So let me read that paragraph for you guys, which is in the book. Just as with affirmations, write down your goals in the present tense as if you have already accomplished them, such as I'm a great mathematician if that's what you want to become. Your subconscious mind will choose the path of least resistance in order to manifest your goals. So while I'm reading this, it really made me think, and why not let's set goals in a different way this year. And that's it. I did rewrite all of my goals in present tense, like affirmations, like it already happened. And while I counted at the last, it came to 23 goals. It is not intentional, it just became 23 goals like magically. So now let me share my 23 goals for 2023 with you guys, so that you can get an idea if you want to set a goal. So it can serve as a goal ideas for you guys. And I have few areas of my life or few categories in which I set my goals in. And first let's start with health and fitness category. My first goal is I am maintaining a healthy weight and BMI. Number 2, I am walking every single day. Number 3, I'm having a balance between eating healthy meals and also indulging myself with my favorite food. Number 4, I'm drinking 3 liters of water every day. Let's move on to personal development goals for my self growth. And the 5th goal is I am reading 12 books in 2023. Number 6, I am completing 3 courses. Number 7, I am learning to speak Korean. Number 8, I am waking up early and sleeping early. The next category is YouTube or social media goals, and the first goal in this category, goal number 9, I am monetizing my YouTube channel. Number 10, I'm having 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. Number 11, I'm uploading consistently on my YouTube channel. Number 12, I'm having 1,000 followers on Instagram. Moving on to finance category. Number 13, I'm saving and investing more of my money. Number 14, I'm unlocking a new income stream for myself. Goal number 15, I am following 50-30-20 rule for budgeting. Number 16, I am first saving and then spending my money. Goal number 17, I am sticking to the budget each and every month of 2023. And lastly, we have the category of self-care, and the goal number 18 is I'm starting to do yoga and meditation in 2023. Number 19, I'm planning my life and work consistently. Number 20, I'm journaling my thoughts and feelings. Number 21, I'm having a good work-life balance. Number 22, I'm having wonderful routines in place that makes my life easier. Number 23, I'm taking enough breaks to rest and chill and for a balanced life. So these are my 23 goals for 2023. So this is quite a different way in which I have written my goals, but if you want to know how I planned and figured out these are like my goals for this year and did my goal setting, then do check out this video on the screen right now. It will surely help you out to do some functional goal setting for yourself. And if you found this video helpful, do give it a like and subscribe. It motivates me a lot. And thank you so much for watching. I shall see you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.